and welcome to Ready Set Demo. And today I am here to tell you about a new class. We've got 36 more techniques for you. That's 36 for you to learn and teach and share. Since I did my original Stampin' Up! Techniques class 8 years ago, can you believe that was 8 years? I've been learning, developing and collecting more ideas. So this is the long-awaited follow-up to that original class, and there's no overlap. I didn't use those same techniques from the very first class in this one. This is designed especially for Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, and it's packed with 36 creative, shareable techniques that range from some beginner-friendly ones to advanced techniques to wow even the most seasoned of us crafters. Whether you're teaching a workshop, hosting a class, or refreshing your personal knowledge with some new techniques, this inspiring resource will help you engage your customers at every level and keep your classes fun and fresh. So how does a technique class work in practice? Well, you would get your customers, or you indeed, would do your techniques. Here are just a few of those 36. I'm just grabbing one of my older files. We're up to file 3 at this point. I'm just going to randomly open. Basically, you will have a single file card, or you can put it in memories and more folders, as I'm doing here. So you'll have your technique and then you'll have a write-up. And yes, I have done you write-ups for each of those 36. You will also obviously get a video for each and every technique so that you can learn it before you teach it. That will have some tips in there, including some teaching tips built in. You can just do a technique class where you just teach the technique, but one fun thing to do is to use our little card that we've made, do 2 of them, and then pop one on the front of a card. Or if you've got more advanced crafters, you might want to step it up and turn your technique into something a bit extra. But the class itself is to teach you the techniques. So I mentioned the printables that are included. We have got 4 different types of way that I share each technique. This takes me a while, but it is to save you time and money. The first is, and this is an old class I'm just showing you here, but the first is printables for all those 36. In one go, you can just print the whole lot out. So if you're doing them all for yourself, then you just print those. But if you're teaching a class and you pick out a particular technique, I also provide those 9 to a page. And that means that you're not wasting paper. You can just print out that particular technique for as many customers as you have got coming that month. And they are available both in A4 with the UK spelling and in US letter size printables with the US spelling. All of my printables can be edited if you need to change them for any reason, or if you want to add logos when you're giving those out to your personal customers. That's absolutely fine. I don't have my logos on there. They are for you to use in your business. As I said, the samples and printables can be stored in our lovely memories and more files. And so I have got indexes for you. I've got file labels for you as well. And also a tips video for you to see how to actually put your file together. That is included in the class. We've also got reference photographs. So these are for you to reference how to lay them out if you are doing it in a memories and more folder. So would you like 36 techniques to add to your collection? If you would, and you would be interested in the class, you can find all the details at Ready Set Demo. I have linked down below if you're watching in YouTube. For 36 techniques, it's going to be £36. And so that works out, at the time of filming, it's around, it should be just under $50, hopefully, US dollars. is what I'm aiming for. So yeah, should be £36. And you can get it direct to your inbox from the Ready Set Demo website. You can find, as I say, the link down below. If you're not sure about teaching techniques in classes and how it can be amazing for your Stampin' Up business, I've got a separate video for you, and that is linked down as well. So if you want to go and have a little look at that and have a think about whether you want to include techniques in your class, have a look there too. So thanks for visiting Ready Set Demo today. I'd love a like and a comment on this video. It all helps, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.